Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Divalog. I hope you all are doing well. Now I know this festive season is different. We're all staying indoors, not really going out. There are not a lot of parties happening, and I do actually hope that you're staying home and staying safe. But you might still want to dress up for the festive season. Not dress up, but dress up. You know the difference, right? And that's why today I wanted to share with you this look right here. This is a 5 product, 5 minute, no makeup look that will put you in the festive mood. It will suit any and every outfit that you might be planning to wear at home. So yes, without any further ado, if you want to know how you can get this super easy peasy look going on, then please keep on watching. My skin is nicely moisturized, prepped and ready to go. So I'm going to start off with my foundation. I'm using Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation. This is an anti-pollution foundation. Now I don't know if this claim actually works or not because there's really no way to test it out. But I really need something like this because Delhi's smog right now is crazy. So this is something my skin needs. It's not been feeling its best, especially under the mask area. Mask is real, you guys. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this foundation and I'm going to start working into my skin. I hope this foundation works for me, the shade, because I generally use 07 or 08, but my skin has been slightly lighter than it generally is around this time of the year because there has been zero sun exposure. So I'm just working this into my skin. I'm going to make sure I focus it mainly on my problem areas, which are my under eyes and around my mouth, and on the other areas I'm just going to keep it pretty light. Overall, I do really like this foundation. It has decent coverage and feels pretty lightweight on the skin, and that's something I love. But I do have a full review on this foundation on my channel, so you can check it out for my complete opinions on this. But for now, my base looks good, so we can move on to the next step. Before setting my foundation into place with powder, I am going to be doing my blush because we're doing a tint today and I don't want to layer the tint on top of powder as it can be a little cakey and a little not so nice. So I'm going to be using the Dear Darling tint from Etude House. I really like these tints. They're really nice, very natural looking, and your skin just looks naturally flushed. So what I'm going to do is, to make it look even better on my skin, is I'm going to apply a little bit of this on the back of my hand and I'm going to spread it out, and then using the same brush as my foundation, I'm going to pick it up. Now because it's already nicely spread out, my brush isn't concentrated with product on one place, and then I'm going to start applying this on my cheeks. This gives a pretty natural finish and it looks so beautiful on the skin. If you have troubles in applying tint because it can get a little patchy and it can stain your skin, definitely try this hack out. You can also do this with your fingers. You don't need a brush. I had a brush in place and that's why I'm using this. Otherwise, you just need to spread out a little bit of tint on the back of your hand, use your fingers, apply it on your skin, and you will get such a beautiful finish. You'll love it. I love tints as blushes because they just look so much more natural and skin-like and prettier, and for a look like this, they're just absolutely perfect. Moving on to powdering our face, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Stay Matte Compact. The packaging of this is hanging on to its dear life with the help of tapes, and that's how you know you really love a product. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this powder under my eyes to set my under eyes into place and make them last all day, all night, or whenever I want to wear this makeup on. So I'm just powdering it down, and I'm also going to apply a little bit around my mouth. This would just help in making sure that my smile lines and expression lines stay at bay for a while. Next up, it's time to do my brows, and brows can make or break your look, so choose your brow product really wisely. I have a lot of recommendations on my channel, so do make sure you check them out if you're confused about a brow pencil. But today I'm going to be using MAC's Eyebrow Styler in the shade Spite, and I'm going to start off by spooling out my brows just to ensure that there are no knots or tangles in my brows. So I'm just pulling them upwards like so, and then I'm going to move on to the pencil side and we're going to start filling my brows in. Now I am using a brown tone pencil because I am going to be doubling it up today, but if you have lighter eyebrows, you can definitely go for another product for your eyes. So we are just going to be applying this on our brows and filling them in the direction of my hair growth. I'm going to continuously keep spooling it as I'm going so that I know exactly where I want to place more product. I'm not going for supremely filled in brows today, but very naturally, just I have these brows gifted by God sort of a look. So I'm not going to be overly shaping them, just going to be filling in areas that require a little bit of help from my side. As I was telling you, we're going to be using the brow pencil in another way. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it on my lash line like so, and then I'm just going to smudge it out a little. Again, if you have lighter brows and you use a lighter shade of pencil, you can definitely go for another pencil on your eyes. But I love to do this trick because it again instantly adds a lot of smokiness to your eyes, and I love smoky tones on my eyes. I'm going to layer this on a couple of times just to get my liner to the exact intensity of smokiness that I want it to be at. And to blend out, I'm using my ring finger because it's the gentlest finger around your eye. So you don't want to be rubbing around, you want to do this pretty gently. See how that browns gives that soft definition? I'm going to repeat this exact same thing on the other side. It's time now to do mascara, so I'm going to be using my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Oldie but a goodie, it just gives so much volume to your lashes, so I'm just going to be applying it on my top and bottom lashes, and I'm going to go ham with my mascara today because I really want my lashes to do all of the talking for the eyes, as we're not doing a lot for our eyes, so we just want the mascara and our lashes to look bomb.com. And to finish things off, we're going to go back in with our tint, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this on my lips. You can build up the intensity to whatever you like. So I'm just applying a little bit first and rubbing it on with my finger just to see what color I want the tint to be of. I'm just making sure it's nicely and evenly spread out. I think we can do with a little bit more color, so I'm just going to go with the applicator directly now and apply. Oh yeah, that's a pretty color now. I think I'm going to stick to the color that I get with full intensity, so I'm just applying it all over my lips just as is. And that is it, you guys. See, I told you it's going to be easy peasy. 5 products, 5 minutes, that's all you need. Of course, you don't need to wear this just for the festive season. You can wear it whenever and wherever you want. But I feel like even if you're not going out, you should dress up for yourself this season because it's about you. Festivities should be about you too. And just take back that power and make yourself feel good and just pampered and just, all of that this festive season. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, let me know what other videos you guys would like to see while Divalog is still here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.